Good morning mga kakikoy ko. Good evening or good afternoon. Kung saan man kayo sa sulok ng mundo. Pag napanood nyo tong video ko ito, maswerte kayo. Thank you so much for Salad Master. This is free. If you buy this, 1,800. So how I got free this? This is the original Salad Master processor. Alright, so let's go unboxing. Please watch until the end. I wanna say thank you John Comia, John Sibayan, Juniper Kugal, and Edwin Jos Santos, because without you, without this. Alright, okay, ayan so Salad Master processor, hindi lang salad, not only salad, you can cut, slice carrots, tomato, potato, whatever you like. So, kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng ganito, please comment down below or send me an private message on Ruben C. Pagia. Alright, so right now, I'm doing unboxing. I got this for free. So thank you Salad Master, the Emerald Apron. Alright. Kapag may oportunidad na binigay sa inyo, tanggapin nyo, i-grab nyo. Just like this. You have to grab the opportunity. Because once in a lifetime. So this one. Alright. Unboxing. Made of high grade material, stainless steel with 316 Ti. Tama ba? So kung mahilig kayo sa salad, just grab one this. Pero hindi ito binibenta. Alam ko mapipira kayo. Kaya nyong bilhin to, pero hindi ibibenta to. So meron siyang one seat, this one. Nagawa kayo ng tomato chips. Lagay nyo lang to dito. Yan. Kailangan nakalock siya. Alright. Oh. There you go. Ayan. Lock na. So, ang ginawa ko ngayon, unboxing lang. Next video, I will show you how to cut piece of carrots, potato, and vegetable without hassle. Alright? Thank you, bye-bye, and again, thank you so much sa walang sawang panunood sa aking walang kwentang video para sa inyo. Alright, bye-bye. Please subscribe Kiko YouTube TV. Thank you. Salad Master Food Processor. Alright. Kita niyo yan? We change life. Lots of benefits. Thank you. Bye-bye.